Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to chat with Gemini AI of Google. So first of all, you will need to open any web browser in your system and then search for Gemini AI. Now select the first website. Now select chat with Gemini. Now select on more, again, and keep going on until you get this option right here called I agree. Now select on continue, and right here guys you can chat with Gemini, which is the AI of Google. So let's say we enter a prompt. So you can see guys, that's how you can chat with Gemini AI of Google. And that's it for the video guys. So that's how you guys can see that you can chat with Gemini AI of Google. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.